I'm Jessica Antilli, and I'm a realtor in the Baton Rouge market for almost 20 years. I typically use W.C.K for my foundation issues when we have a problem that occurs with some of the houses, whether I'm on the listing side or the selling side. And I recently had the opportunity for them to come out on a pretty large project. Jacob was able to meet me on site and provided me with the diagram, and we walked the perimeter of the house, and we were going through what was the best solution. He gave me a couple of options. We did some additional support. They came in, they leveled it. They were able to tell me exactly what was going to happen, and I've used them for other projects as well. Again, they take the time to come out and meet with you on site. Jacob's very knowledgeable. Katie made up the appointment for me, called me back, answered my questions, provided me with a detailed explanation of what the quote was and what the whole project was going to be. Managed my expectations, actually probably exceeded them because it was done so smoothly. They cleaned up after the job, and we are very happy, and I would definitely recommend them if you are looking for someone who is reliable, easy to work with, knowledgeable, professional. W.C.K, give them a call today.